In this video, I will show you how to find friends on Discord. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, finding and adding friends on Discord is really handy to do as it allows you to message them directly on Discord as well as add them to servers and some other things you can do. To get started, what you're going to want to do is make sure you've got your friend's username for Discord. To find that, what you can do is ask them directly for their username, or if they don't know what their username is, what they can do once they're in Discord is come down to their profile in the bottom left hand corner down here, and if you come to the right and click onto the gear icon to open up the user settings, this is where you're going to find the username. So you want to make sure it's not the display name, you want to make sure it's the username. In my case, you can see my username is Tech Tutor 123. This is the one we're going to want to use. So once you have the username, what you can do is come and click onto the add friend button. So you can find this if you come across to the left hand side, click onto your direct messages, and you're going to see the blue add friend button at the top. What you want to do is give that a click. That's going to take you to a screen like this. Then what you can do is add their username into here. Now once that's done, click the send friend request button. Now of course I've just typed a random sequence of letters, so mine's not gone through, but for yourself you should get a success message come up saying that a friend request has been sent. Then all they need to do is go and accept your friend request and you'll now be friends with them on Discord. So that is how to find friends on Discord. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.